The communist left always hurts the very people they pretend to help. Under the disaster known as Bidenomics, Hispanic Americans, African Americans, and young people are hurting like never before. The Biden economy, 1/3 of the Gen Z and millennials have absolutely no savings, nothing whatsoever. Home ownership has been pushed out of reach for millions, with the rate for a 30-year mortgage up 157% and going much higher. Real wages collapsed 26 months in a row, and that's a record. Typical Americans have seen their incomes crushed by $7,400 a year since Biden took office, the biggest pay cut in many decades. Credit card debt has just reached an all-time high, with American consumers owing nearly $1 trillion on their credit card bills, up 17% from just a year ago, one of the largest increases in history. This is an economic calamity and a human tragedy. Very sad to watch. My mission is to rescue hardworking families from the nightmare of Bidenomics and restore the American dream, something you don't hear too much about anymore. And that's going to be restored for you and for everyone you love. Under my leadership, household net worth rose to an all-time high, and the African American, Hispanic American, Asian American poverty rates hit an all-time low. We built the greatest economy in the history of the world, and when I'm reelected, we will quickly do that again. No administration in modern times has matched the power of our America First economic formula, and they never even came close. We had low taxes, low regulations, low inflation, maximum American energy production. We were energy independent, and fair and reciprocal trade. Under Trump, every policy is about making life better and more affordable for hardworking American families. So to every American who is struggling under crooked Joe Biden, and he is indeed crooked, the most crooked president we've ever had, help is on the way. I am fighting for you as hard as I can. We're doing a job. Together, we will make America wealthy again, and we will make America great again. Thank you.